More than 100 positive cases were reported in Goa on 13 July 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 13 July 2020, 130 new positive cases were reported in Goa. 53 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the state are 2,583. Active cases in the state stands at 1,026. Recovered cases stands at 1,540. Total 17 deaths are reported till 13 July 2020. One female 47 years old from Mangur Hill, Vasco, and one male 60 years from Pelabai, Vasco, who were admitted at ESI Hospital, Marga with comorbid condition expired on 13 July 2020. One male 58 years from Barunapuri, Vasco, brought dead at SDH Chikalim was found to be positive post-mortem. Out of 4,372 samples tested, 1,416 are negative, 130 are positive, 2,826 reports awaited. At present, patients in isolation wards are 26. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 75, as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 13 July 2020. Breakup of total 1,026 active positive cases are as follows. Travel by road, train, flight 125, Mangur Hill 76, link to Mangur Hill 297, Kurtorem 2, Margao 10, Quepam 15, Rutolem 28, Indiranagar Chimbal 37, Navilim 7, Ganganagar Mapsa 7, Sakre 24, Kamrabad Tonka 6, Kankona 8, Fatodda 4, Kurka Shankarwadi 4, Raya 3, Kundaim 1, Verna 5, Motidongar 7, Ponda 36, Kamullim 1, Walpai 22, Marcel 2, Usgaon 5, Bicholim 8, Shiroda 17, Pernam 6, Pilar 2, Goavela 5, Worwai 4, Samgam 4, Kortalim 1, Kurchorem 3, Mandur 8, Purvorem 3, Dharbandora 22, Kunkorem 28, Warem Vasco 1, Kandolim 1, Kholem Mapsa 3, Karambolim 5, Panji 1, Parra Mapsa 1, Marsaim 3, Nerul 23, Benaulim 2, Batim 3, Neura 7, Tulip Diagnostic 80, Verem 3, Khandola 39, isolated case in Karanzalem 1, isolated case in Mardol 1, isolated case in Thivim 1, isolated case in Kujira Santa Cruz 1, isolated case in Betalbatim 1, isolated case in Bambolim 1, isolated case in Kollim 1, isolated case in Chinchenem 1, isolated case in Kumarzua 1, isolated case in Kolwa 1, isolated case in Karaswada 1, isolated case in Nuem 1. Cases in major locations are as follows. Sada 91, Paina 112, Kurtorem 32, New Warem 83, Chimbal 73, Zuarinagar 146, Khariwada 54, Bali 42, Tulip Diagnostic 80. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.